Welcome to Wayne's World Garage. I couldn't let Doug have all the fun today since we put brand new bits into this 48-inch saw, and I want to try it out and see how it works. And this is a perfect log for it. Not too big, not too small, and it works out really well. Turns out the sharp bits are phenomenal. Our bad for not changing them out sooner and making sure they're sharper. More importantly though, we learned a big lesson about sharpening bits. It's pretty critical. Frick came down to our fairgrounds last year and helped us. He spent probably an hour sharpening the bits, and then we quickly hit a nail, which kind of ruined it. But it's harder than it looks. It's a lot more effort than people think to make them sharp and do it properly, which we're learning about. But with these ones that we bought, they're brand new and they work great, and they're steel. What I did learn from the Bobby at PH Payne, these things are drop forged and then they case harden them. That's pretty slick. If you'll notice, this log doesn't have any bark on it. No, we didn't buy a debarking machine. Instead, when I took it out of the woods, it was a standing tree and it was kind of dead and the bark was falling off of it. So by the time we got to the sawmill, there was no bark on it, which actually is a good thing because there's no mud on it and it was easy to drag out of the woods. The fun part here is look at how quickly I can saw through this log. This is going really nicely and it's a pretty decent sized log. It's working well. Remember to us, keep the bits sharp. Now, in case you're wondering, what is Wayno's sawing here? The cants I'm making are 3 inches thick, and they'll be the diameter of where the log is. So I'm going to first saw some big cants, the diameter of the log, which are 3 inches thick. We'll take them off because it's not too hard to move this guy. And then I'm going to saw them into pickets. So we'll make 1 inch by 3 inch pickets. We'll have more pickets than we know what to do with. So if any of you want some pickets to make a fence, and maybe we'll actually make a fence where we are, that's what we're doing here.
gas here. I guess.
He's going.
I'm not the only one that was kind of wondering, when was the last time we put gas in this thing? Well, sure enough, as you can hear, we ran out of gas. Whatever. It's okay. It's a good time to call it breaks for today and go eat lunch. We've been sawing for an hour and a half, which isn't very long. We'll save the rest for next week. Anyway, that's the way it goes. Thanks so much for watching.
Wait, you run out of gas? I'll run down and get a couple of gas. How many you want? 3?
3-inch can, you know.
Wait, what? I thought we were done with
Huh?
Hey,
Wayne.
States.
You gotta do something.
Wayne,
How many
Hell,
you
can I
want?
get some gas?
Hey, how you doing, buddy?
He's gonna get some gas for
How
us.
many you want?
I don't. 4 maybe?
4?
How many you doing? Hey.
If the
We
gas,
usually try to get 4,
okay.
Yeah.
generally.
Do I need a pass?
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Thanks so much for watching Wayne's World Garage. Stop it again later. Leave a comment. Leave a suggestion. We appreciate it. We're learning a lot. Sharp saws make a huge difference. That won't happen again, I hope. Take care and have a great day.